What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss a very specific problem that I had in my WhatsApp. When I was on data and tried to call someone, it was always stuck on connecting. It never went through. But when I was on Wi-Fi, it was all fine. I tried like a lot of troubleshooting methods, but none of them worked. So let's discuss, how I fixed that problem in this video. So let me show you what the current situation is. If I turn on my WhatsApp, and you can see I'm on the data right now, I'm not on the Wi-Fi. So let me call someone, and it actually doesn't matter if the other party is on Wi-Fi or not. And you can see that it's currently ringing. So if if the other party picks up the call, you can see it says connecting. It will never go through. It will keep on staying like that on connecting, and the call will never go through. So let's disconnect and let's try to connect the Wi-Fi. So you can see I have connected my Wi-Fi, and let's try to call the person again. You can see it's ringing and the call goes through. The call has started. So I've tried like a lot of things. I've tried restarting my phone. I've tried contacting my carrier, which is AT&T, just to see what if they had made any change. I've tried clearing the cache and the data from WhatsApp. I've even tried uninstalling WhatsApp and resetting WhatsApp and doing a fresh installation of WhatsApp, but nothing worked. So this is what I did actually to solve my problem. Since the issue was with data, I actually went to connections and then went to data usage, and then I realized I had data saver on. Data saver is actually a good feature to save some data, while you're not using those apps, and the apps might be running in the background. And you can see I do have some exception of WhatsApp in the data saver. I had WhatsApp already enabled, so that means data saver feature should not have affected WhatsApp, but it was, however, somehow doing that. So I just tried to turn the data saver off. And if I turn off the Wi-Fi again, with Wi-Fi off and data saver off, if I try to call the other person again, you can see the call will go through now. The Wi-Fi is off, and the call goes through right there. So this is what I did to actually solve this problem. So if you are also facing this problem, go to your settings and then go to connections and then go to data usage. And then try to see if your data saver is off or on. If it is on, then turn it off, and it should solve your problem. And this is pretty much it from this video. I hope you liked this video and it was useful for you. And if it was, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video.